guys, it's Holly and welcome to the Proper Pineapple. Today I have an unboxing for you. I'm super excited about this. I was contacted a while back by a website called NewCraftyDay. It will all be linked down below. And they wanted to know if I wanted to do an unboxing of one of their products. So I went on their website and I looked around and there was a lot of really cute stuff. They do embroidery. Oh my gosh, the most beautiful embroidery kits. They're stunning, but I'm not that good at it, so I wanted to break. They do diamond painting, which is pretty, but I've never been really interested. And then I found what I wanted to do, which was paint by numbers. And I know what you're thinking. I need another hobby like I need another hole in my head. But anyways, so I decided I was going to get a paint by numbers kit. And they have just a ton of paint by number kits, just tons of them. So it took me forever scrolling. And then I saw this one and I laughed so hard. If I can, I will insert a picture right over here. If I cannot, it will be linked down below. It is basically a cat, just this big fat cat. And I could not pass up the opportunity to get this cat. So they sent it to me. I cut the top of the package because, you know, I do that so I can see. But I haven't looked inside to see what's in there yet. So this video is just an unboxing video to see what you get when you order from NewCraftyDay. Their paint by numbers. So it came in this long tube, cover the front with my address, you know, nothing special. I cut it open, and the first thing I feel is, oh, something fell. There it is, okay. Well, that's helpful. I'll show you that in a second. So the first thing I pulled out, I'm assuming this is my canvas. It's very large, so take a look at that. This little paper fell out, which is my picture. So if I didn't get to insert a photo, here it is now. I'll hold this guy up. It's this kitty. Isn't this kitty adorable? I don't know if I could probably put it over my face. Anyways, this amazing, colorful kitty. I saw it. I fell in love. Okay, there's more stuff in the bag. Okay, I think, yes, that's it. Oh, okay. So I got two things here. So I have got 3 different paintbrushes. A really, really teeny one, kind of like a flat one, and a little pointy one. And also some little brackets to then hang my photo. However, I decided to mount it, I suppose. So, got that. And then I get all the colors. All the colors I will need. Okay, this is so cute. So, if you can see from the back better. Got little pinks and lots of browns and taupes and the navy for the background. Super, super cute. Is there any? No sort of instructions, but let's unroll this together. So let's see. Can you guys even see it? Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so intricate, you guys. Oh my. Oh, and it was rolled up onto a foam tube. Okay, so I'm going to hold this up and hopefully you can see. Okay, you can kind of see. See how it's got like a border of what the picture is. Then you've got the picture itself and all of the numbers. Oh my word, you guys. This is the correct way it goes. So you guys can't really see. You can't see it. But it's got just all the numbers in the little sections. So I am actually going to get started painting on this now. So you won't see the final project until I am done with it, which hopefully will be in a week or two. I will come back and do another review. As far as just unboxing, just what you get. The price of this, I want to say, was $9. I want to say it's like 8 something. That's ballpark. I think for the price that this is pretty good. This canvas feels really nice. I mean, I don't like that it's rolled, but I mean, I wouldn't want it folded. So rolled will be okay. I mean, I guess I wish that it was shipped just flat like this, but I guess that's not very practical, right? So I am actually going to tape this down to a table, get it all like stretched out and paint this. I think for the money and the just selection they had on their website, I am quite happy with this. I mean, this is heavy. So, I mean, there's paint in there. It's not just colored bottles. And I'm super excited to get my painting done of this cute little kitty. It's adorable. It's a cute little kitty. Who doesn't love a cute kitty? So, I'm going to give this a shot. Unboxing alone, I am quite happy with this. I haven't decided if I want to stretch this onto a canvas, if I want to frame it. I'm not sure yet, but I'm pleasantly surprised that they sent little like attachment hooks and whatnot. I'm very excited about this. I think this is a really nice, you know, thing to get in the mail, and I'm super, super excited to make it. I probably said excited way too many times. Sorry, guys. So stay tuned for another video in a couple weeks of the finished project, and I will give you my full review of the paints and all that then. This is just the unboxing, and I was happy. I'm very, very happy and can't wait to give it a shot. So if you guys have an opportunity to go check out NewCraftyDay, please use the link down below. Check them out. Come back, let me know what you would want to paint or cross stitch or diamond paint, whatever. They have so many options, you guys. You have to go check them out. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful in maybe finding one that you want to try. And leave a comment down below and let me know what you would usually use for your diamond, or not diamond painting, I'm sorry. I am all tongue-tied today. Where you normally get your paint by numbered kits, because, or if you've tried NewCraftyDay and if you like them, because as long as this goes as good as I think it's going to go, I see myself buying more of these. I'm very interested in painting this. So I will give a full review of how it all went in another update video later. Bye, guys.